Like sharks, they are excited by blood. A brand new discovery reveals that the dragon has venom. Like a snake, the bite will eventually prove fatal, but it's going to take several weeks. As the days pass, the buffalo's wounds don't heal. Dragons lurk around the margins. 3 weeks later, and the buffalo is very weak. The dragons sense that the end is near. They must remain wary. The buffalo could still lash out. The dragon's strategy is certainly merciless, but it is the only way that they can get a meal like this, and in hard times. They need it if they are to survive. The buffalo died in the night. 10 big dragons have gathered to feed. They stripped the buffalo to the bone in just 4 hours.